Okay, so I have a key and I have a keypad access code and keypad. If you have experiencing difficult keypad programming, guys, no, so here's the fastest way to program this keypad. So we have a different procedure. So we can use for a computer, but this time I use this manual programming. So first we need to prepare the key, three keys. This is the only one that we insert this key cylinder. So first yan, we insert this one, so this keys and keypad was already programmed, so this is only demo for me. Yeah, so this is the demo for keypad programming. So this is all program and this is not program. This is the new one. Yes, the new, these two. So first we need to insert this one key, insert the cylinder, and we need to cycle this one for 8 times for 6 seconds, like that. So we need to cycle this one for 8 times for 6 seconds. Okay, so after that we need to press this one for 10 seconds, unlock, and also after that this one we need to press this one. Yeah, so we need to press this one, after this one, and last one is this 7, 8 and 9. So press for 10 seconds. After that the confirmation, so we need to off this one. Like that, and test, and we need to test the functionality, like that. Yeah, it's function. This one is function, this one function, and this one function. Yes, so last part, this one we need to press simultaneously. We need to press these two. Yeah, if it's functional. Yeah, so it's function. So we need to confirm this one. Unlock. Yeah, goods. Okay, so this is a Ford Transit model. Lock. Goods. Iyo.